Guys, it's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please hit the notification bell, subscribe. We would love for you to be part of the family. And today I have my mother here. We're gonna be doing mother versus daughter challenge. And if you would like to join in on this challenge, please comment below and let me know. So we're gonna be doing burping. You guys, we've been coming up with this video. We've been waiting. And now it's the time for us to do it. Ain't that right?
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. All right.
I must have shook this up too much, you guys. Gotta go slow with it. So I'm just gonna wait a second for that. My mom has Coca-Cola tonight, and I have a sparkling soda water strawberry flavor. I wanted to try this and see how this work out. Yes, and my mother, you know, she has been getting requests for her to come on with me to do this challenge. So I finally got her to do it because she's been so busy.
Yep, finally got me on, so we finna see what's gonna happen.
Right.
Yeah, we're finna try to do this. Yep.
Maybe it's safe for me to open now. Let's see. Okay.
So let's.
You ready? Let's do it. What you got? Oh, yours gonna come. It's a little cold, but it's gonna come. It's cold. Supposed to let it sit out and get warm. I don't know, you guys. I'm trying to see if Mom Dukes can get it out.
Seem like mine skipping beats. Yeah.
Oh, that was a baby one. Yours kind of tight. That was a good one. It sound like an old truck, like an old pickup truck, trying to come, like it's running out of gas.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Need to get to the gas station. I don't know if I won it. I don't know if I think you probably beat me on this challenge.
So, comment below who you think won the challenge. Also, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you think my mother won, comment below. Let me know. If you think I won, comment below. But it seems like I won the challenge, and we agree whoever won the challenge will get $100 for the person that lost the challenge. So it looks like I won $100. And yeah, there you have it. If you have any questions, any advice, any other challenges that you would like to take on, please let me know. And I'm just gonna finish this.
Seemed like hers beat the Coke. Oh, I think you won this challenge.
Well, yeah, you guys, I think I won this. If you think I didn't win anything, my mother won. Comment below, let me know.
No, they're still coming out.
Also, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love you guys so much. My old subbies, my new subbies, thank you so much. Until next time, I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.